looking good in the summer isn't always easy, but the celebrities seem to have it down.
CBS 2's Jill Nicolini has some easy makeup tricks that can help you look ready for your close-up all season long.
Pop icons like Kim Kardashian, Britney Spears, and Cher have all used the technique of sandbagging. Celebrity makeup artist Rami Gaffney says it's actually an old technique that's resurfaced.
Sandbagging is where you use loose powder under the eyes and around the mouth to prevent your makeup from moving.
Start with a clean face, then apply concealer and your makeup as you normally would.
We take loose powder. You can use a powder brush if you like. I like a smaller, like a blush brush.
Apply the powder under the eyes, above and below the lip, then blend.
You can use a sponge or you can use a brush. When someone like Kim Kardashian is showing this on social media, it's for dramatic effect.
Triple Mill Fine Powder works best, but how can you keep shine-free during the summer?
Use a mattifying lotion. Keeps you from being shiny for like 8 to 10 hours. A great summer beauty hack is you want makeup that's wax-based. I like to take a lipstick and turn it into a multiple product. So you want to find a color that will work for you on your eyes, cheeks, and lips.
Stick with matte or cream formulas only. Skip the sheer.
So another great tip during the summer is to put some of your skincare in the refrigerator. It makes everything cold and refreshing. It tightens pores when you apply it. Things like tinted moisturizer, cleansers, primer.
And remember, once you put your skincare products in the refrigerator, they must remain there indefinitely, and it even helps the products last longer. In Kips Bay, Jill Nicolini, CBS 2 News.
And one more beauty hack for you. Whether you shape your eyebrows with pencil or powder, make sure that you use a brow brush to brush it all the way through. It does make a difference. If you don't have that, you just grab a Q-tip and
Is that it? All right, I'll keep that in mind.